पर वो नहीं खाया, पिज्जा नहीं खाया, बर्गर नहीं खाया, एक ही बार ही खाया था वो गार्लिक वाला, और हम जमीन पे रखते हैं वहाँ पे बस।
Hello everyone, so welcome back, and as I promised I showed you like the Balaji Hindu temple, and I have a surprise for you. I came to Paterson Great Falls, and it's in New York kind of side. So let me just show you. So this is Paterson Great Falls, and it is considered as the largest falls of New Jersey, and it has its own beauty. Oh my god, I'm so scared of this dog now. So this is the view. Beautiful, right? Sunny, and I thought I was choosing a wrong time to come here, but today came out to be very pretty day, as super beautiful. This is falls. It has its own beauty. Like, I'm a nature lover, as you all know. I'm a nature lover, and I just love the beauty of it, right? So pretty. Totally nature lover. So this is Paterson Great Falls. So this is Great Paterson Fall. I am not able to focus on it. So finally it's time to wrap up. We are exhausted. Hi. So it's time to go home, and we are done with vlogging. Let's say bye, falls. I'll show you for the last time, okay? Bye. Okay guys, see you in my next vlog. So we came to American Dreams Mall, and it's entrance. Oh my god. So that's the interior. Oh, they already went. So that's American Dream Malls. Yeah, wow. They are enjoying luxurious ride. पंचायत हो रही है. So this is American Dreams Mall, and it's so pretty, like the interior, the decorations, and I'm going to show you. How beautiful. So if I show you from this angle, like they have a lot of, so they have like, let's go like this. Whoa! So that's the beauty of American Dreams Mall. So if you're in New Jersey, you should definitely come to American Dreams Mall because it's really pretty.
Hello.
Let's say hi. Hi.
Good luck.